ChatGPT and Pictory YouTube automation nirvana or just too good to be true? There's no doubt that OpenAI.com's ChatGPT AI-based chatbot is the current darling of the internet, having enjoyed explosive growth since its launch only a few weeks ago. Perhaps inevitably, a plethora of videos, blog articles, and social media posts soon followed covering how to use ChatGPT and Pictory.ai to create monetized video content for YouTube on autopilot. Just one example of the videos which proliferated. Using ChatGPT and Pictory certainly speeds up content creation. Manually writing scripts and using traditional desktop video editors such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut is not for the faint-hearted or those in a hurry. Pictory is a self-service video creation platform, which means you don't need to hire video editors. There's no guarantee the scripts generated by ChatGPT are unique, something very important to remember when publishing content to avoid penalties for plagiarism following Google's Panda update. Even if the texts were edited to make it unique, you can be sure Google, YouTube, and other platforms have ways of detecting and penalizing raw AI-generated content. There are ways around these issues, and tools which can help. But they add extra steps to the video production process and require manual intervention, which detracts from the dream of full automation. It's not all bad news, however. Here's some best practices on how to use ChatGPT and Pictory together for successful YouTube automation. Stay current, keep up with industry trends and developments to ensure that your content remains relevant and useful over time. While Pictory automatically selects relevant visuals for every sentence, its choices may not always be accurate or in line with the theme of your video. If they're not, simply replace them with alternative scenes from our stock content or upload your own visuals. There are a few reasons why you might want to use your own voice instead of a machine-generated voice. In summary, ChatGPT and Pictory are very clever AI-based tools which can help save time in the content creation workflow. Always consider the potential for bias in AI systems and to take steps to mitigate or eliminate it, particularly when creating content which may have a wide impact or be perceived as authoritative. What we see today is just the beginning.